So how I will get my dream physique and hit 10K a month simultaneously, right? So what did I look like before? So 2, 3 years ago, I looked like this, as you can see on the right side. Sorry, the left side. This was me back in 2017 with the iPhone 5s. But that was when I first started lifting. But then, like 2 or 3 years later, I kind of looked like this. Um, I'll just draw on it so that you guys can see. Yeah, so I look like that after like 2 or 3 years, right? And then after another 2 or 3 years, I look like this. Sorry, I look like that, right? So, because like COVID hit and everything like shut down and like it just everything went to shit, and I just haven't been able to recover from that. So, this is me trying to get back my life, pretty much. You know what I mean? So I've split this video into 6 parts. So, starting with routine, business, diet, training, cardio, and recovery. Right. So we'll just go with routine right now, and see what we can get out of this. Right. So like routine, what am I gonna do? Wake up early, obviously. Um, Waking up early is like a real struggle for me. Um, because of the weather and stuff like that. So like, yeah, and routine wise, like I don't see anything else other than just waking up early, right? Just because morning routines are like overrated. Oh, that's supposed to be but morning routines are overrated because like they contribute to nothing. Literally, what matters is that you get the work done, right? Um, and you can ask any other like high level entrepreneur or like high level whoever what the secret to success is, and they will literally say work, 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 right? So that's that. And there's not much to routine other than just waking up early, getting like deep work blocks in, going to the gym and stuff like that, right? Obviously, I'll discuss like further into the video how I'm gonna go through those things, right? So in terms of business, I'm gonna upload I'm gonna upload one video a day, right? One video a day, um, onto YouTube, just because I feel like YouTube is a better platform than anything else. Like it creates like a deep connection with your viewers and stuff like that. And like I do consume a lot of YouTube as well, so like I kind of like the platform, because it's more educational than entertainment. So a lot of like the short form platforms are like a lot more entertainment than education, right? You can't really like get that much education out in a 60-second reel, right? Or TikTok, you know what I'm saying? So I do like YouTube because of that, and I think I'm gonna continue with that. So I'm gonna upload that, and I'm gonna edit one video a day as well. I'm gonna edit one video a day as well, and yeah, I'm gonna script out the next day's video on the same day, right? So like that's a good chunk of work for business, and I'm also doing a side course as well, like um regarding something else, but like I need to do that work as well, obviously. So um that's pretty much a lot on my plate already, right? So um what I'm gonna do is just jump into diet, right, real quick, because diet is like pretty important as well, um there's a diet. I recommend you guys, if you're like cutting as well, like just definitely go on like a calorie deficit. Don't start doing cardio straight off the bat, because that's not really gonna help you, because that's gonna crash your metabolism. So like if you're doing a cut like me, just start with a calorie deficit of 500 calories, right? So that you get a good amount of deficit in there. Um, right now my calorie goal is 2,200 per day. Um, and that's excluding. Well, that's just what I'm eating, right? So, and that's split up into carbs, proteins, and fats, right? Um, I don't want to eat that much fat um, because obviously has a lot of calories. Because like 1 gram of fat has like 9 calories, right? And the others have four. Oh shit, I fucked up there. Anyway, that's my diet anyway. And I aim to hit that for like the next week. Um, and then transition into reducing that to like 1,000. Sorry, no, I got that wrong. So 2,150, right? So 2,150. That's what I'm gonna come down to in the next week, and then the next week, and the next week. I reduce like 50 calories every day, right? So every week I reduce 50 calories, right? So that I maintain that deficit and like um yeah, I just go with like a 500 calorie deficit because like the maintenance changes as well. So um if you guys don't know how to like diet or anything like that, like just let me know in the comments and I'll make like a full in-depth video about that. Um but the reason that I haven't been able to get back into my peak physical condition is that I just didn't really try. you know, I was just comfortable, bro. Like I was just comfortable as fuck, and I just let myself go. Right? Most people say that this is like a bulking physique, but to me, like I let myself go. So if I really tried, like I could literally get back into peak physical condition, even better than this, right here, bro. Um, this was me when I was like 15%, 16% body fat. I wasn't even that lean to be honest, but I just have like a good muscle on my frame. So I actually look fucking pretty yoked for like 15, 16% body fat, right? So I just want to get down to like 13, 12% body fat. And if I can do that, that's a win in my books, right? So in terms of training, right? So we're gonna I'll keep it simple as fuck because I do like a bro split. I've been doing a bro split for like the past like 6, 7, 8 years, just because I've been training for 6, 7, 8 years. So I'm gonna keep that the same as well. And I'm just gonna smash it out that way and progressively overloading with like my sets and my reps and time under tension instead of like the weight itself because I find that I become like more prone to injury if I increase the weight that much. Um, increase the weight by a lot, So I don't really care about weight. Like I leave my ego at the door, you know. So yeah, so I do it that way, and that's me for training, right? So cardio, um, and I do this like 6 days a week as well. So like 6 to 7 days a week. It's like the whole week I train because it's a bro split, right? So it's like one body part per day. It's one body part per day, right? So it's pretty chill. It's not chill, but like as like it's not as intense or like taxing on your body like a push pull legs would be, right? So in terms of recovery and cardio, um, yeah, well I'll go with cardio first. So cardio when it gets up to like 1,500 calories. Oh, sorry, I actually fucked that up. Um, when I get to like 1,500 calories, that's when I'll, introduce um some cardio in. So like I'll start with like 15 minutes or like maybe like 10 minutes on the seated bike. I do like the seated bike, right? So I'll do 10 to 15 minutes on the seated bike and increase as the weeks go by, right? I increase the amount that I do as the weeks go by, and like it becomes harder and harder towards the end, right? It really does become harder and harder because I have done this before, but like that was ages ago, so it doesn't really count. Anyway, to recovery, I aim to get at least 8 hours of sleep a day, and that's not a problem for me. You know, I sleep pretty well, but like I think it's the REM that matters. REM, the REM sleep that matters. I think you need to get at least 2 to 3 hours of REM sleep, um, a night. So yeah, that's that. And um, in terms of recovery, just eating a lot of protein as well. That will get me to my goals. But that's like the pretty much gist of it. Um, and I'm planning to upload these videos as I said, like every day, and hopefully I get out of this position that I'm in right now, and hit 10K a month. So the goal is 10K a month, obviously through YouTube, plus oh shit, plus maybe like some mentorship or coaching. I think that'd be a good word. But coaching on how I get from like this to this, um, that to that, and hopefully that will give some people some value and like open their eyes to like what's possible. Just because I know a lot of people have lost hope with their fitness journeys and stuff like that. And I want to kind of like like reignite that flame underneath them, but that's like way in the future. So as I said, this is gonna take about 6 months. The time frame is 6 months, so I give myself 6 months to like actually achieve this, which is 10k a month. I know it's gonna be pretty much a stretch because like 10k a month doesn't just come out of the thin air, right? You need to actually put in the work. So by the time I get monetized on this channel, it'll be like 6 months. But if I can, make some money before that as well, like that'd be good. Maybe like I'll make this 6 to 8 months. I'll make this 6 to 8 months, just because I need to give myself a little bit more time. But yeah, this was my peak physical condition, and this is what I'm right now. So this is my starting point right here. So hopefully I can, get down the weight and literally, you know, get fucking shredded, bro. Um, and hopefully I make it out of the trenches. You know what I mean? So yeah. So that was in a nutshell what I would do in the next 6 to 8 months. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and took something out of it. If you want me to make an in-depth video about any of these things, so routine, business, diet, training, cardio, shit, recovery. So just let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about that. I don't know much about anything to be honest, but like I'll give my 2 cents on it and see what I can help you with. Pretty much. So yeah, I'm grateful for you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.